Aló, aló, aló. But assistant, new assistant. Yeah. Okay, today we have a quiz, right? Okay. Are you ready? Not yet. Okay. Um. mm, mm. Sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So before we having a quiz, so yeah, we discuss about our VAT. Continue to discuss about our VAT. Still have a few more points to discuss. Okay, today we will. I think we review about review last week, and now we're trying to do the question practice about VAT. Yeah, to work on these questions about VAT, and we finish if we can finish. Maybe we finish today, and Thursday then we study still VAT, but we call VAT reverse charge. That's a new tax. You know, which a non-resident tax business can charge VAT to a resident through what we call digital goods or and e-commerce. Yeah. Then we finish VAT. We start to start tax on income. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just forget about what we quiz about withholding tax, right? Only withholding tax. Easy one. I'm kidding. Um, I think withholding tax questions, I think not much. But withholding tax, in practice, withholding tax even more complicated compared to VAT. Yeah, because huh? Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, some question is not clear. So I understand. I see you know some some student brought me some question quiz last years. I didn't agree a few because I think that is not correct answer. I mean, to me about withholding tax. So okay, maybe we need to improve, the questions because I'm not the one who actually mandates the quiz questions. So, but if this time when you see any question which is not clear, okay, you can bring it to me so we can have a discussion because I want actually to have a, a clear and correct questions. Yeah. Okay, so before we doing quiz, so we still keep studying about VAT, but this time just about the exercise and practice. That's how many practice we have. Yeah. Okay, four. Okay, five. No, only four. Yeah. Okay, this is a question about VAT input, output, and credit. Yeah. Did I send you this slide? Huh? No? Really? I think I did. Yeah, I did send in August 23 in the Telegram group. Okay, let's work on this. Okay. Okay, we can work together here. They said phone for you, co-Ltds, sell mobile phones and accessories. In September 2016, phone for you make the following payments, and they said amount here, they said exclusive of VAT where applicable. There's some payments or some receipts will be exclude VAT, no VAT include in the amount where applicable. So if we are talking about payments, which means we are talking about purchase. So if we're talking about purchase, we will take this. We trying to calculate what we call the input VATs, right? So look at it, whether all these purchases will be subject to VAT or not. If it is subject to VAT, then we can claim input. Okay, let's say purchase of supply for the shop from supermarket in Phnom Penh, $100. So if we purchase the supply for the shop from supermarket, so we just assume that all supermarket here in Cambodia are tax registers. And if we purchase the supply, which means all some other supply, maybe office supply, maybe water, coffee, teas, yeah. And for the use in the business, then the purchase will be first of all, we have to assess whether this purchase is a taxable supply or not. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Next, taxable supply, yes. Then supermarket need to charge 10% VAT. Next, we will try to analyze whether this purchase is for business or not. If it is for business, yes, we can claim input VAT. So yeah. So it's for business, not for business supply. Like I just explained, supply talking about just tea, coffees, maybe water. Yeah, because every companies, require this is a requirement under the labor law that all company need to provide, to this kind of supply to its employees. So if it is required by the labor law for a company to provide it, it is a business expense. If it is an expense, then VAT can claim as input. Then multiplied by 10%, our VAT input will be 10. Okay, next payments. Salary for staff. Salary for staff. So this purchase, this payment, is it taxable or non-taxable? I'm talking about VAT. Here. No, right? No. Yeah. So this is input is no. Okay. Because payment for staff salary is not a taxable purchase. Yeah. Next one, domestic purchase of phone accessories. Taxable, yes. And for business, right? Accessory, because we are selling accessory. That's direct purchase, for resale. 100% yes, it's a good claim here. So, right, AD. Last one, import of phone from Thailand. Yeah, all imports of goods into Cambodia because we import phones for resale. Yeah, of course, we need to pay 10% VAT. So this will be 1,000. Okay, I think that's all for the payments. Okay, this is for the income. So how much VAT input we have? 1,090. Okay, that's all input we have here. So we have input equivalent to $1,090. Okay, output tax is the tax we charge to our customer, the tax that we charge on our supply. So look at the supply here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, sale of phone, of course, we have to charge. It's a taxable supply. So 700. Sell a phone case. Yeah. 100. Service income for minor phone repairs. So we charge our customer for you know uh repairing service we provide to customers. Is VAT or no? There's a taxable supply. Okay. For this maintenance or repair service, is it taxable supply or not? Yes or no? Okay, why quiet? Are you focusing on something else? Okay. So you pay taxable supply and non-taxable supply for the service incomes here. Phone repair. Hmm? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Okay. Then another 120. How much we have here? 920. Okay. So now we can see the VAT output smaller than VAT inputs. What will happen? Are we having a VAT credit or VAT liabilities? We have a credit, right? How much we going to have a credit? Yeah. Okay. We have a credit of 170s. That is the result that we are looking for. So yeah, we calculate inputs and outputs, and then we take inputs minus output or output minus input, then we can see the balance. Okay, correct? My calculation is correct? When service income is not taxable, yeah, it's hard, service almost everything, but service can be subject to 0%. May not be a non-taxable, most of the service. So the service can be a non-taxable public postal service, financial service, insurance, payment for um, Yeah, a few other services that will be exempt under the non-taxable supply here. Yeah, you can see here. This is service, right? Service, service, service. What else? Educations. Yeah. And collection or cleanings of service for solid or liquid waste. All of those. That's will be a non-taxable supply. The rest, yeah. Okay. Okay, move on to the next practice here. This time a little bit harder compared to the previous ones. Yeah. Let's work together, try to identify which transaction will consider as purchase, which one will be the sell. Okay, yeah, we have a list of transactions here. Yeah, of course, the question they ask is whether the company, the business, JJ, is subject to VAT liability or has a credit. But of course, if there are some transaction where we see that there's maybe not taxable, or maybe it is taxable, but we cannot claim VAT. Okay, just work out together. I know you don't want to think too much to save your energy for a quiz. Okay. Okay, they said JJ company is a regime taxpayers registered with the GDTs in July 2010. For the months of September 2012, JJ has the following transactions. Has input credit of 9,000 at 31st August 2012. So they have a 9,000 tax credits carry forward from August. So what they ask, the question asks us to do is to calculate VAT credit or liability for the month of September 2012. Okay, look at here. So we're trying to calculate what is VAT versus sell, which means VAT output. Okay. Sell to local VAT register companies. Yeah, they said sell to local register companies. Yeah. Of course, this company is a VAT register. When we sell to local VAT register, we need to charge VAT. So the question will be whether 25,000 US dollars inclusive of VAT or exclusive of VAT. Then we look at here. Okay, we said all above items are inclusive of 10% VAT, except non-applicable ones. Every invoice is proper and valid for VAT purpose. Yeah, but you can see that it means all of the above number here, they include VAT 10%. To calculate VAT, what we're supposed to do? What we're supposed to do? We take this amount, multiply by 10% straight away, or divide by the fraction 1.1 first, and then multiply by 10%. Okay, helping me to calculate and to to move faster. Okay. Okay, VAT outputs on sale. It will be okay. We take 25 divided by 1.1 and multiply by 10%. Then we will get it. Or another formula. What we're supposed to do? We take this 25,000 multiply by 1 over 11. If we just to calculate the VAT, the VAT amounts, we can do that too. How much VAT we have here? Okay, please have. Huh? 22.70. Okay. Like this, right? Okay. Okay, next one. Sell to local individual customers. When we sell to the first transaction, sell to the registered companies. Next one, we sell to individual customers. When we sell to individual customers, do we need to charge VAT? Yes. So we have VAT output again. So this time you can take multiply by 1/11. How about you get? Please have. Okay. I don't want to speak alone. Huh? Okay, 909. Yes. Okay, this one. Okay, I want you to pay attention to this. Transactions. Sell of 600 shares to E Ltds. We sell shares to, we call E Ltd. E limited liability is a companies. Okay, how much we get? We sell 600 and then we get 2,310. But down below here in the bracket, they say market selling price should be $4 per share. If we take market selling price $4 multiplied by 600, how much is the market selling price for the share? Yeah, it will be 2,400. Okay, but our actual sale only 2,310. Our actual sale is lower than the market price. What we're supposed to do? We should use the market price. Yeah. Okay. Then our VAT liability is not calculated on the 2,310, but we use this market price to calculate VAT. So then our VAT output will be, how much is our VAT output? Huh? 213. Okay. 213. 218. Why we don't use actual sale? Okay, I mean in the real business, you probably only pay on 2,310 because that's what you get from this transaction. Okay, you can claim that 2,310 is a market price only when you sell to a related party. I mean, based on the real business. If you sell to a third parties and then the price lower than the other, you can use that price. That's called market price as well. But when we sell to related parties, we have, if we sell below the market price, your VAT taxable supply should be based on the market price. Yeah, in realities. Okay, come back to the question. Always during the exams, if they ask, they say like this: always takes the market price. Always takes the market price. Okay. But real business may be different. Okay, then next we have export sale. Does export sale is it taxable or non-taxable? Okay, I heard. Does the export sale taxable or non-taxable? Huh? Please, non-taxable. Does export sale taxable or non-taxable? Lisa say non-taxable. How about the other? Taxable or non-taxable? Darlene? Non-taxable. Also none. Okay. Export sale, non-taxable. That's me. Okay. Very interesting. Yeah, remember, taxable supply, you know, for goods delivered in and from, right? Good delivered in or from Cambodia, we call taxable supply. But so for export, the good will be delivered from Cambodia. Why you say non-taxable supply? But it's just subject to 0% VAT. Yeah, it's a taxable supply for export. Taxable supply, but the VAT will be 0%. Yeah, no VAT output. Okay, export goods, always taxable supply. Okay, export, always non-taxable supply, but just subject to 0% VAT. Okay, next, sale of fixed asset. The company sell a fixed asset and we sell it, we get 35,000 US dollars. Okay, but they said that include land 30,000. Land, sell land is non-taxable because land is not good, land is not service. So, but how about another 5,000? Should be taxable. Okay, then we take 5,000 divided by 1.1 and multiplied by tens, or you can just say multiply by 1/11. The formulas will get the same result. 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good. 4, 5, 5. 4, 5, 5. Okay. Okay. Okay, next one. Interest incomes charged to VAT register companies. We lending the money out to another VAT register companies, and we receive $2,000 as an interest incomes. Does the interest income considered as a taxable? Does no, right? Because this supply of money. Money is not good. Money is not service. So this is non-taxable. Yeah, they can deduct withholding tax from us. Okay, but we can get a credit. Okay, next transaction, they said admin fee to visit Zem Park. This is a sale transaction or purchase transaction? Sale or purchase. You know, we pay admission fee, you know, we buy a ticket to visit Zem Parks, you know. So this is purchase. Next one, purchase. So it means VAT output, all of it. Just this. Can you add it up? How much is our VAT output? How much is it? 2,273. 9. How much is our VAT output? 3,945. Correct? Yeah. Okay, then we calculate VAT input. Here's VAT input. Okay. Now we get output, then we calculate input. Okay, we are talking about admission fee to visit some parks, and record as an expense in the books. So whether does this purchase is a taxable purchase, and can we claim VAT input on this purchase if it is taxable? Yeah, I think buying a ticket to visit some park should be taxable, but the next question is whether we can claim VAT input or not. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yes or no? Huh? Which one? 3,945, correct or not? Okay. Okay. Can anyone help me to 3855? Okay. Okay. See, I got 23855. Correct? TV? Okay. So this is your mistake. Yeah, okay. Okay. So visit for Sampac is a purchase, yes, a taxable supply, but this is a purchase for business. Yeah. Maybe no, but visit Sampac is kind of entertainment, right? And our company is not providing the entertainment service. So then this purchase, we cannot claim credit. I mean, no credit allowed. Yeah, because we purchase the entertainment service. No credit. Next purchase of a big lorry truck with 2 seats. Okay, we purchase a lorry truck, the truck, but the seat only 2. Remember, purchase of automobile, less than 10 seat. You cannot claim VAT credit, but this 2 seat. But that 10 seat only apply for purchase of automobile for passengers to transport people. But this truck is not, right? So I repeat it. Then we can claim it. Yeah, because the truck is not for transport of the people. Yeah. Okay, then how much VAT credit we have here? 60,000 multiplied by 1/11. How much is the VAT? Sorry. 54.55. Okay. Went quick. Next, purchase the insurance from VAT registered companies. Does the insurance is, does the insurance considered as a taxable or non-taxable? Yeah, no, non-taxable, right? Next, charge telephone service. Total is 800, but they say that for both, desk phone and mobile phones. So total 800, but they said, for the desk phones, 500. So we pay telephone bill and we pay for desk phones. Can we claim VAT credit? Yes. Only 500, right? We can claim it, but only 500 because 300 is for mobile phones. How much is it? Okay. 45. Okay. Dinner with customers. We pay for food for our customers. Very good customers. Loyalty customer. We pay for his dinners. Yeah. Can we claim as a input? No, right? No, because it's non-tech entertainments. Yeah. Okay. The charge of legal and audit fee from V Ltd, 12,000. So we pay for legal and audit fee. Yes, this is a service, taxable service. Can be, but the next step is this is purchase for business. It is a purchase is important for the business. Yes, right. Audit fee is compulsory, and legal services we need it. So then we can claim VAT. Okay. How much is it? Our VAT input here. 1,900. 1,090. Okay. Okay. Advertising expense. Yeah, advertising expense. This is taxable. Okay. Need for business because we need to advertise so that we can introduce our product to the customers. If we don't advertise, no one know us, no customers. But we have a little star here for this one. So what's happened with this? Okay. You said proper invoice not show VAT separately. Does this consider as a VAT invoice or not? No, right? So then this purchase, even is taxable and they charge us VAT and it is for business, but we don't have proper VAT invoice. If we don't have proper VAT invoice, then we cannot claim VAT inputs. We lost VAT. So no. Okay. Next one. Credit note from V Ltd. As you can see that we got an invoice from V Ltd for legal and audit fees, 12,000. And in the same month, they issue a credit note of 3,000. What does it mean? Huh? We or they? Yeah. When we issue credit note, remember we talk about it. When we issue invoice, sometimes we issue hour it's supposed to be, excess the amount that we're supposed to charge in this case. So then if we overcharge us, of course, when we complain, say, hey, why you invoice me 12,000? The fees less than that, 9,000 only. Then it means 3,000 more than it's supposed to be. We should issue, we call a credit note to cancel some part of the purchase. Yeah. So then when they issue credit note to us, can be what we're supposed to do? We need, yeah, but this cancel only part of it. So yes, we need to declare, in our purchase record, but in a negative figure because, to offset with what our VAT that we already pay to V, and then we claim back from them or claim back from the government. So of course we calculate VAT input, but in a negative, which means we can get the VAT credit back from V. But we put in a negative. So that's we used to offset with other VAT input, which means we Ltd overcharge us. So how much we can claim back from V? 270. 273. Next one. This is a cost for employees from ComEd. Yeah, that's education service. Okay. What will happen with these payments? Taxable or non-taxable purchase? None. Say education is non-taxable. No. Import of generator from SG, Singapore. We import generator from Singapore. Okay, we import, we pay VAT to the custom, right? So then can we claim a credit? Yes. So how much is our credit is? Okay. Purchase of computers and software, 4,000. Sorry, 9,000 in total, but that's software, 4,000 and 5,000 computer. We purchase both good and tangible and intangible goods for 9,000. But we have two little star here. So what is happening with these two little star? He said proper invoice. Yeah, we have proper invoice, but the dates of the invoice date is 31st August 2012. But we are doing September VAT returns. So what will happen with this purchase? Can we claim VAT input or not? No, right? Back in 2012, we cannot. But if now we can, because we extend, the deadline to claim VAT from 30 days to 60 days. So, but 2012, yes, we cannot claim it. Then no, because it's too late. Charge of management fee from UK. Yeah, we pay management fee. Why we cannot claim this? Because this invoice is late. Yeah. So the last one, we pay management fee to one of the company in the United Kingdom. Yeah. No, right? No, yes. No VAT. At the times, no VAT. Okay. Okay, then we have how much is our VAT input? Okay. Can you help me to add all of this? Starting from here. 5455. Huh? Are you sure? 5455. Can you help me to calculate this? Okay. Huh? 88318. Okay. So now we correct. Eh? Okay. I believe in you. Okay. So now we can, now we know how much is the output VAT is and the input VAT is. The next, we try to calculate how much is our input VAT output. Output 3855 and our VAT input 8. Okay. Do we have a credit? A VAT credit. 9,000. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So then we can calculate. We take output and then deducts the output, deducts input, and deduct credit. How much we get? Yeah. You take this, deduct, and deduct. Because see, You can see the output smaller than input plus credit, which means we still have credit. How much is it? 13463. Okay, this is our VAT credit. We can carry forward this credit to offset with next month VAT output. Okay, if output still lower than the credit, we still continue to carry forward to the next month. Okay. Okay. Question? Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I know that's your feeling is not with VAT. Always with withholding tax. Okay. Okay, now I'm open for a question related to withholding tax. If you want to ask now, you can ask now. Okay, I'm stop VAT. Stop teaching you VAT. It's okay. Question about withholding tax, please. Royalty pay income pay to resident, and your sales assignment to resident. Because if you're talking about withholding tax, we're talking about payment to resident and non-resident. Yeah, if it is resident, royalty 15%. Yes, but they are exempt. Shrink wrap software, downloadable, or size license, or software bundled with computer, all of those software is exempted from withholding tax when we purchase from register and register. Okay. Yeah. If there is mixed supply, what we're supposed to do under withholding tax, we should try to split, clearly split between maybe mixed supply between good and service. Yeah, you have to split clearly, how much is for good, how much for service. Yeah. No. Royalty fee that royalty that charge all kinds of royalty. Yeah, in principle, all royalty payment to residents, whether it's registered or non-registered, withholding tax is applied 15%. Only the all kind of royalties that you call royalty, all kind of it paid to residents subject to 15%. But the exemption only when we purchase from the register for some software, the 4-type software only. So the rest always subject to withholding tax. But when you pay to the governments, yeah, royalty to the government also exempt for governments. Okay. Royalty. Okay. More questions? Or reassurance premium for non-register. Is it exact or when we pay insurance premium to non-register? Impossible. If we're talking about resident, all insurance company, all of them are registered taxpayer. So yeah, they cannot operate without register, without getting a license. So all insurance paid to a residence insurance companies exempted, exempt from withholding tax. No withholding tax apply. Non-resident, yes, withholding tax apply, right? 14%. Okay. You have a question about withholding tax? Okay. Maybe you have, I know you probably have last year questions. Yeah. If you have, maybe you can ask some question that is not, you think is you don't understand or something like that. You have any question about withholding tax? Yeah. Okay, this is, I read the questions. The accountants know that payments of Cambodian source incomes to non-resident are subject to 14% withholding tax. This payment include, okay, we're talking about Cambodian source income, right? 10 payments from Cambodia, resident to a non-resident, that we call Cambodian source income. So they then provide, number one, property or risk reinsurance premium in Cambodia. Property or risk reinsurance in Cambodia. Okay. No, they're asking about source income, not talking about withholding tax. Yeah, that apply on Cambodian source income. And then they want to know that, do you know about source income here in Cambodia? Okay, now they said if they make a payment for reinsurance premium for the property, for the risk in Cambodia, royalty from right to use paid by a resident person. Okay, and third one, income from business activity conducted by a non-resident through a PE in Cambodia. So three different income. Number one is property or risk reinsurance premium. Not all, I think. Property or risk reinsurance in Cambodia. Premium in Cambodia. Is it Cambodian source income or not? Do you still remember? Yeah, I mean payment for insurance premium or reinsurance premium, you know, covered risk in Cambodia. It is a Cambodian source income. Okay. Okay. Next one. Yeah, but actually it's not clear. Royalty from right to use. From right to use. From right to use paid by a resident. Paid by a resident. Royalty, you know, from right to use paid by a resident. Yes or no? Yes, royalty. And income from business activity conducted by non-resident through a PE. Yeah, that's the last point, right? That is Cambodian source income. But the answer, they say that only 2 and 3. Number 1 is not a Cambodian source income. Yeah, why? Look at the question again. Property or risk insurance premium in Cambodia. Okay. Why the first statement is said not correct? Because they use the term or, which means if they delete the word property, yes, reinsurance premium paid by a resident, yes, but that's they include the word another properties. Yeah, property located in Cambodia, but if we just say properties in Cambodia, we don't know whether what we're supposed to pay, we buy or we rent. So it means the the question is not clear, right, with respect to the property. So you cannot answer by just say, hey, property in Cambodia. So then what will happen with that? What kinds of transaction occur? You rent it. If you rent, yes, you rent, property located in Cambodia, fine. But there's no word rent here. Just they say one word property. And that's why this statement is not complete. If it's not complete, it's incorrect. Yeah, sometimes it confused. That's why a lot of students fail, Okay. If you look at, okay, you read it really quick. Say, oh yeah, reinsurance is paid, cover risk in Cambodia, but you forgot the word properties. Yes, that word, cannot tell you what kinds of transaction will happens. Yeah. So, and that's why the statement number 1 is incorrect. Only 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is clear. Okay. Yep. In questions, they should tell us. If they don't, in practice, if lawyers in practice, lawyer is not a tax register. All lawyer up to now. Yeah. But of course, the question will tell us register or not register. Don't worry. If individual is non-register, yeah. If they say individual, yes, it clearly non-register. Yes, yes, yeah. It depends on payment. Individual will be rent, interest, royalty, all kinds of payment that subject to withholding tax. If we pay to individual, non-register, withholding tax apply. Yeah. Okay. We have more question. Okay. Yeah. More question? No, no more. No more. Okay. Banya, do you have questions? I just saw your pictures. Yeah, some. Uh-huh. Okay. Huh? Consultation fee. Yes, withhold if we pay to individual. If they say in the question that we pay to individual, that is a non-registered taxpayers, then withholding tax apply at 15%. Yeah. But if we pay consultation fee to registers supplier, no withholding tax apply. Okay. Yeah, for small taxpayer, they can also provide a service, right? A consultation service. Oh, if yes, yeah. Yeah. For small taxpayer, we only pay withholding tax on rent of the office. Only one withholding tax apply for the small taxpayer. And when the small, we pay for service, interest, royalty, or any kinds of other payment that's subject to withholding, all exempted. They need to pay only 10% on rent of their office. Small taxpayer. Yeah. Right. So I mean, small taxpayer required to pay withholding tax only the payment for rent. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Huh? No, no. It's not a small taxpayer. Yeah, it can be a business. We call a physical business. Yeah. And withholding tax 10% on their rent. No. Interest. No. And then exempt. You know, if they rent from individual, they have to pay, but if from self-assessment, it's exempt. So they only take into account once withholding tax only. Yeah, but the condition exemption condition apply for all. Yeah. Okay, David, do you have any questions? No. Okay, fully understands. Then I expect full marks. Okay. Quiz. Yeah. That's my is not coming. The slide I have in your book is for withholding tax. Is it under 50,000 mil or 500,000 mil that should be exempted? 50, I asked to change already. That typo, 50. Yeah, the exemption on payments of service to a non-registered supplier for service when you make a payment below 50,000 reals, $12.5. Yeah. But in the books, they say 500 is typo. Okay. Okay. In the lecture note. Yeah, the quiz will be starting soon. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Waiting for us, May. It's coming soon. Oh, in the book. I think I dropped in the Telegram group. Okay, okay. Okay, I will ask them. I save and ask and upload. Yeah. Okay. Few more minutes. Okay. Esma is coming. Mm. Okay. Well, that's maybe. If it quiz. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Bye bye. That's
Ok, mà pi tục tật quỳnh nữ mẹ tàu tật này mẹ tới đây bật sợi mà pain tí